Hey guys, I've got a great lesson for you today. We're going to be learning Knocking on Heaven's Door. Super easy one, great for beginners. Just got 4 chords, no capo required for this one. So yeah, let's get diving straight into them chords. So as mentioned before, there's only 4 chords in this one. They're really easy ones, great for beginners. First chord we need to learn is G. So that's second string down from the top, fret number 2, top string, fret number 3, and bottom string number 3. Again, with all the G's, I kind of like popping this pinky on the bottom and then ring finger just above. It's just a different variation for the G. So there's your G chord. We've then got a D chord, so that's third one up from the bottom, fret number 2, bottom string number 2, middle string, fret number 3, and we strum the bottom 4 strings. We've then got an A minor chord, that's second string up from the bottom, number 1, string above number 2, string above that, number 2, strum all the strings except the thickest one. Again, you can pop that thumb over the top just to mute that top one if you want to strum them all. And then the only other chord we need in this song is a C, so that's second string up from the bottom, number 1, third one down from the top, fret number 2, string above that, fret number 3, strum all the strings except the top. Again, thumb can go over the top if we need to. So let's quickly recap on them. We had a G, a D, an A minor, and also a C. So they're all our chords that we need for this song. So it's worth practicing them first, get them down, and then we'll move on to the strumming next. Okay, so now that we've learned the chords, we're going to move on to the strumming pattern. So we're going to start with that G chord. Again, use either variation, this G or with the pinky. And the strumming pattern we want is down, 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 up. It's going to be the same for the D chord, that's our next chord. Down, 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 up. Then we're going to do 2 bars on an A minor. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Go back to the G. Down, 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 up. Then to the D. Down, 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 up. This time C, 2 bars. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so let's just do that again. So we had the G first. Down, 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 up, D. 2 rounds on an A minor. G. Then to the D chord. And then 2 rounds of a C. So I'm just going to do that straight through now with no gaps. Yeah, so that's the chords and the order, and it literally just repeats that the whole way through the song. So I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial. If you have, please do give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.